I am a 40-year-old woman documenting my journey of creating freedom outside of a traditional 9 to 5 and becoming a full-time content creator. My name is Bobby and welcome to my channel. So I am making some macaroni and cheese that was requested from a 12-year-old. My daughter loves my homemade mac and cheese. And mind y'all, I just now started making macaroni and cheese homemade because my mom gave me her recipe. I have never made it homemade, so yeah, and I'm 40 years old. But then again, it's never too late to learn something new, right? Just like me making content, I'm going to be documenting whatever I'm doing during the day. If I ain't doing anything, if I feel like I need to talk to y'all, if I need to vent, I'm showing up every day, because that's my goal, to be a full-time content creator. I always love making content. I love the editing of it, everything about it. And then I love that, you know, people have content that is relatable. People want to see real life, you know, experiences or things people going through, like, or find some way of escape, you know, that knowing, hey, they're going through the same thing, or something that they like the same thing. That's what, you know, I want to bring to my channel, and to have a community of people that, you know, I can share my life with, you know, and do those things with. All right, got the cheese grated, and this is actually mild cheddar. And let me tell you something, guys. I don't do all the Gouda cheese and the smoked cheese, all the other cheeses. I don't add all those. I just do like mild or medium cheddar or sharp cheese. I just add that and be done with it, because she don't like all those cheeses neither, and my husband we don't really care for all that. We just keep it simple, you know. We just need a little simple meal and we good to go. And I make mine with eggs. If you don't make it with eggs, that's fine with you. However you want to make it, baby. Look, y'all don't come for me for my beat up pan I'm about to show you. I only use that pan one time. I wash it out and I'm using it again. It's the last time, then I'm gonna throw it away. So don't come for me about my pan. Put it at the bottom. Add some cheese. And I like to mix it up. That's the mild. And I'm gonna add some sharp cheese. I done turned this into a cooking video. I didn't mean to do that, but hey, it's all right. Making content, right? Show what you're doing. Somebody might want to learn how to make some. All right, so pour some more. I think I'm gonna do like 3 layers. Like that. cheese. Okay, like that. Add some sharp cheddar. I'm using sharp cheddar already finely shredded. All right, and the last little bits. Add that on top. Show you all the juices, all the goodness. Spread that out. Okay. And add the rest of the cheese. Just like that. All right, got all the cheese on it. Now it's time to pop it in the oven. I don't cover it, I just pop it in there like that. 40 minutes. Let's do 35. All right, let's wait for it to get done. Now for the part I'm sure all of us do not like to do, and that's clean up. I'm gonna take this trash out. Let's get these dishes washed. I love Dawn. Watermelon for the summertime. Looking good. It's looking good, but I think I'm gonna put it in for about, no, I put it on broil for about 2 to 3 or 4 minutes just to get it a little brown at the top, and it'll be done. All right, that is the final look. I hope she enjoy it. Well, Mama is done in the kitchen for now. I'm about to sit down and relax, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.